Every single day, something changes at this stadium. Sometimes it is one big moment. Today, it is everything moving at once. The compression ring growing section by section. Superpillars crossing into Tribune territory. Ceramic slats spreading across the north goal. A core that was wide open yesterday, now fully sealed overnight. Let us walk through every single zone. The Tribune zone is where we begin. A concrete pump is active at the upper level, feeding the latest Superpillar. The ones before it are fully poured, stripped, and standing clean. The next one is already waiting with formwork panels locked in. This sequence has now pushed clearly into Tribune territory. Between the second and third cantilever, the intermediate logistic floor is progressing with metal decking down and reinforcement mesh coming next. Beam welding inside the cores continues with drainage pipework already threaded through. The painter is back, applying pressurized black coating across the Tribune steel framework. And a VIP ring section that was completely open yesterday is today fully closed with sandwich panels. One day, full closure. Moving into the south goal, the third tier is essentially complete with seating across almost the entire bowl. Workers are now focused on interior finishing, access routes, VIP ring connections, and service areas. Scaffolding is going up inside the cores, confirming this phase is ramping up. At the ceramic slat superstructure, new anchor brackets are confirmed installed, with welders finishing base connection pieces ready for the next segments. A new beam connection piece on the right side appeared today that was not there yesterday. Both sides are now being prepared simultaneously. The zero-zone cores are clear of scaffolding inside, with sandwich panels progressing on the rear face too. Before we move on, we're just 45 clicks away from hitting 1,000 subscribers. It's crazy how close we are. If you've been enjoying the journey, now's the perfect moment to jump in. Hit that subscribe button and be part of this milestone as we reach it together. Into the lateral zone, cladding panel installation is now active, with crews working progressively along the section at multiple platform levels. At the lateral south corner, panel placement has begun closing out this section of the exterior facade. Yesterday, crane TC3 lifted section 14 into position, one of the wider boxes that had been staged and waiting. Workers were on the bolts immediately. 14 sections placed, 110 remaining. Another large section arrived this morning, already prepared for the next lift. The Ulma team continues building formwork platforms, supporting the radial beams and sections above. The lateral north corner connection details are being finalized ahead of ceramic slats arriving here soon. At the north goal, ceramic slat installation is pushing forward on the lower section at a solid pace. The left side core has sandwich panels rising toward the first cantilever, a clear visual shift from just a day ago. At the north goal and Tribune corner, core welding crews continue through beam connections steadily. The slat support structure has reached this corner, putting it next in line for cladding. A personnel elevator tower is now operational here, making level access significantly faster for crews. And that is everything for today. Honestly, what brings us back out here every single day is you, the people watching and leaving comments. Even just one word down below genuinely means a lot and keeps this going more than you might think. So drop something in the comments, hit the like button, and if you have not subscribed yet, now is the perfect time. We are so close to 1,000 and every single one matters. See you in the next one.